This is Colin Dijs with Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple method that I use to increase my revenue by 20% and how you can do the exact same. So here you see my ClickBank earnings. 15 to 20% of these earnings is directly related to a back button redirect script. And let me show you how that works, but first some more proof. So I added ZB. So the back button redirect, what it does is when you click the back button from a campaign, a user clicks on your ad, goes to the offer, and then decides to go back because they do not cross the bridge page, which is usually anywhere from 50 to 70% perhaps. They go click back and they actually pushed forward to the offer. This is not allowed on social media paid advertising. However, with native ads, it is allowed. With push, it is allowed with all kinds of different sources, but you always have to check with the source itself. This is for crypto campaigns. You can see set B stands for zero bounce, which basically means I am using the script. One lead, one actual conversion from those leads, $650. And here another one. So from, I think in this window of a week, literally the 4 conversions that you see here, 2 were from the redirect script, which is 50%. That is $1,300 that else I wouldn't have. Same with the ClickBank stuff, loads of money, 15 to 20% is dedicated to the back button redirect. Back button redirect script is usually JavaScript. There are many different forms. If you want a ready-made form which you can use for your native traffic campaigns, just like I use, there's a link in the description to my forum where you can get it for free. The back button redirect script basically works like this. The user enters the lander, right? Then you look in your tracking. 30% click-through rate means that 70% of the users want to leave. They want to go back. As soon as they hit the back button on their phone or the back button on their desktop in their browser, they're actually pushed to the offer. Obviously, because the user didn't intend to do this, the conversion rate is low. However, there are still conversions. The user, for whatever reason, was interested in learning more, right? And especially with video sales letters, like ClickBank campaigns, like crypto campaigns, as soon as they get redirected, the video plays with audio. This basically means they're being sucked into the offer. If you have somebody who is curious, they will watch and they will convert. This way, it allows me to add 15 to 20% additional return on investment to my campaigns. I always work with a 30% return on investment minimum. So this now becomes 45 to 50%. It doesn't sound like much, 15%, but if we're talking about $100,000 a month, this is $15,000. That is a lot of money. In a year, we're talking about so much money, just under $200,000, which is absolutely crazy, but only implementing this simple script. This simple script where I can tell you from the guys watching right now, 99% of the people are not doing this. They're running campaigns without this script, which is a shame because it's so easy. And you can get it for free when you join my premium forum in the description. So basically, in this forum, I have, well, as you can see, 1 minute ago, 10 minutes ago, a super active community, very fresh, very new. So we're still building it up, but here it is, back button redirect script. I posted it 38 minutes ago. And what it says is, when I hover on it, this script is responsible for 15 to 20% extra revenue when I'm running my ad campaigns. Note, this is not allowed on social media. You have to always verify with the source. All the native sources I'm running on do allow it, but if you have a very strict source, it might not be allowed, and therefore always ask to make sure it is allowed. This is a simple method. There are tons of versions out there, JavaScript, HTML. Some work really well, some don't work that well, some only work on certain devices. So yeah, find what works for you. I just wanted to share this little quick tip with you. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.